This is a song by Millennium Promise Alliance to all nurses and doctors and everyone in the front line for their great effort in these difficult times.
Every hardship, every danger, every pain, being relentless in the fight for other lives. So we take this time to thank you for all you do. You sacrificed your life and health for other lives.
From morning to evening, you never did sleep or slumber. With hard work and dedication, you always they give us hope. Oh, you the fear for your life, but you still threw yourself on the line. I salute you, I salute you. Oh. As the numbers to go up, oh. Family they try to pull you back, but nothing they stop you, oh. For giving your greatest sacrifice. So God bless you, oh. And God keep you, oh. For your bravery and honor will never depart from our heart.
We appreciate you. You're the heroes of our time.
We be you.
We appreciate you for every sacrifice you made. We will not forget you.
No, we never forget.
Every mother, every father, every child.
Ande ayano kware ya wakukodro for my wampara. Covenant ya dia kodia wo ye neti wo my mohano. Eh, mama ye usamo do mo man Ghana. Etu wache ni awufama. Awu trenyi na mu magina sa mu beje nkwada. Doctors, nurses, midwives, lab technicians, ambulance service for community service for you now. My son, a jamo damasio, and I'm also damasio, and my pronimo for a Ghana many nasiri. Aiko, Yamene Mubu.
As I dey pray for protection, oh Baba God, I dey pray for the nurses and health workers. Please stay them aside and release your blessings, oh Jaja Keme, Maushira no rain on him. Minshaka Ewale Keme. This is my little prayer for you, and I appreciate you.
We appreciate you. You're the heroes of our time. We appreciate you for every sacrifice you made. We will not forget the risk you took in the front line. For every mother, every father, every child.
Yadamasio, Yadamasio, Ghana ma Yadamasio. Serema hunya tena maufama modibayena. We appreciate you, we really do. Oh yeah, Ghana ma Yadamasio. Thank you for risking your life to save other lives. We may never know the sacrifice you made. To every doctor, every nurse, and everyone in the front line, we just want to say thank you.
Oh, Dobimo, Ilamani, Ilamun Tobi, Inipa Elefe, Ilamu, Esowani Fu, eh, doctors fu, nurses fu, midwife fu, Anita Nipuse, and Tonambono, a Banafa, eh, Ananampa, Anato Ananifu, in Tobi, Inipa, Anifun Tazinani, eh, Omanana Wuyi Suchi, Amobona Nifu, Itinamui, Amonamu Pentasinani, Ani Aiko.
You're the heroes of our time.
Ani Aiko.
We appreciate every sacrifice you made.
You sacrifice. Tuma ne yatum sanga. Nisu kabaka motema. Timi yela ene nangalimpa kelingiri benyo yela. Jinini tege yatum sun kawing balangude yadao. Enge ya alibarka te paza bakanganare. Tuma ne yatum sanga. Nisu kabaka motema. Timi yela ene nangalimpa kelingiri benyo yela. Jinini tege yatum sun kawing balangude yadao. Enge ya alibarka te paza bakanganare.
Mashama ya tamu awe abalasi mi wendo. So I wanna thank you all. Mashama ya tamu awe abalasi mi words. I wanna thank you all. Yeah. Tanako klo kwa tola ntima nyanya bena te kade. Damya na bigata.
Hi, my name is Camilo, aka Mr. Grinder.
We appreciate every sacrifice.